so we're fidget hunting right now, and we're at Party City, and I just found this slide puzzle, and I've seen a lot of people with this, so I know for a fact it's a fidget toy, and we're gonna get this, and we're also just looking around.
Maybe this thing?
These are snakes, which I already have one.
Those little crawly guys are cute.
Yes, these are fidgets too, and I really want these. They're really cool. They just like, I think they go down your wall or something.
Yeah.
They're really cool. So
Let's see what else we find.
Yeah. What are these? Oh. They have so much cool stuff.
All right, well, we'll come back on when we find something else.
Yeah. My sister just found an empty box of a Neato box. So
we're gonna go see if we can find some. Maybe they have them somewhere.
So keep your eyes out.
Those are just regular balls.
Yeah, they're bouncy balls. This is a fidget. You know? Big stretchy man. In my very first fidget video,
look at those little baby Rubik's Cubes. Those are cute.
They're so tiny.
They are.
In my first fidget video, I got a small one of these.
Oh yeah.
But now they're big.
All right, let's see what else we find.
Yeah. Okay, so we just found this. It's got like sand in it. It's a pizza. I have a banana one of this, and I'm getting this. Definitely. Because it's really nice. Still no Neatos yet, though.
Okay, well, we'll keep looking.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so we didn't find any more things after we found these. So now we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and go fidget hunting some more. So yeah, see you guys there. Bye. Okay, so we're in Hobby Lobby, and I just found these mesh balls, and they're really easy to squeeze. I might get these.
Oh, that's cool. You gonna get that?
Might.
Yes.
I don't know how much is this, but I might get this too.
Okay, let's look all around here.
Yeah, so we just walked in.
What's that? Oh, it's a dinosaur you can squeeze.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's cool.
Might have to get it. Let's put that at that. Oh, look at this. It's one of the Orby ones.
Oh, that's cool.
Mine popped.
They're probably only a couple dollars. You can get them all.
Yeah. Can I get an Orby one too?
Okay. Let's go keep looking.
Yeah, this is so cool. So, yeah. Okay, so I found these eyeballs, and they're like gummy feeling. I don't know if they're really a fidget, but I'm gonna use them as a fidget because they feel really nice. So
they're like squishy, and
they're like slimy.
they have slime. Yeah, they have slime in them.
Really cool. So we're gonna get
All right.
So we found this, and they have this at Learn Express. So it's kind of like a glob one, but I think it might have sand in it, so I can feel like a crunch.
Oh, okay.
But I'm still gonna get that. And then I found these.
Oh, they're cute.
They kind of...
They're like llama.
Yeah, they kind of feel like a needle.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Which one's
All these stuff.
Yeah. They have these red ones. And they're all color changing. I don't know what I'm gonna get.
Oh, that one's pink. That's cool.
I might get this one. Then I
What's
already...
this guy? Oh, that's a tornado.
What's that?
So you shake it like this, and then see the tornado inside.
That's so cool. Never seen that. So, oh, they have blue. I'm thinking I'm gonna get blue instead.
The blue guy?
Yeah. So I'm gonna get this. Which color should I get of these?
Pink.
Pink? Because I feel like the white one would get really dirty.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna get the pink llama. And it also feels like a needle.
Oh, that's one of those gel things. Or the liquid things. Yeah,
Oh,
those
yeah.
things.
We also have a. Ooh, my goodness. This is. Oh, I have to get this. So they definitely have fidgets here. So if you want to find some fidgets, go to Hobby Lobby because they definitely have them.
Yeah.
And we're in like the back of the store. So if you want to find that, you can go to the back of the store or something. Okay, yeah, I definitely am gonna get that.
Okay.
So,
All right.
I'm gonna get this and we're gonna keep looking. Guys, so this is the fidget haul. I got some stuff from Party City and some stuff from Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna be doing a haul. And I've got a lot of stuff.
Hold on.
So I don't know
Okay.
if I'm gonna be able to get it all. But yeah, let's just get started. My sister got a like a toy thing. So the first thing I got, this is from Hobby Lobby.
Yep.
It's kinda, to me it feels like a Neato, but it's a little llama. I decided to get the pink one as you saw in the clip. And let's open it and feel how it feels. I just saw a puppy and it was so tiny. It was tinier than Lola. Oh wait, hold on. I brought scissors with me.
Can I get it out that way? No, this is the wrong way. I'm just gonna go out this wrong way because I don't know where I'm going.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay, oh my gosh, here it is. Let's try it. Oh, this is actually kind of better than, you know. It's stretchy too. So yeah, I got the pink one and it's really cute. I love it a lot. So let's move on to the next thing. I'm trying to go fast, guys. Next, I got this globby ball. It's not like the real glob. It's got sand in it, but it looks like one of the globbies that you can get from Warren Express. So let me do it.
All right. Pause.
Alrighty, so now we're gonna open this. So yeah, I opened this last time and it's super nice. I love it. Okay. This has sand in it. Can't get it open. I finally got it open. And let's feel it. I got the blue one instead of the red one. Alright, here's what it looks like. And it's very stretchy. And it's just got some sand in it.
Oh yeah, relax and
It's really nice. I really like it. I don't want to like stretch it too much because I'm afraid it will like pop. But there's that. I really like it. Alrighty.
All this is from Party City and Hobby Lobby.
Yeah. Okay.
$60 later.
Trying to find the other sand.
Well, 50
Alright.
because hers was 10.
So I got a thing just like this with sand in it, but it's a pizza and this is from Party City. So I don't have any like pizza things, so kind of excited about this. Okay, so here it is. Okay. Yeah, it feels exactly like the blue guy, except it kind of stays in its form a little bit more. But it basically feels the exact same. Pretty cool. So yeah, these two are like the same. Except I think this one might be a little bit softer feeling. But yeah, those are the sand things that I got. Now let's move on. Okay, next, this was from actually
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby, but it was in the party section, obviously. These are like eyeballs, but they got like gummy filling on them. They're not
Like
candy,
slime.
though. Yeah, like slime. With
They're like slime stress balls.
yeah, they're really tiny. I feel like they'll get dirty easily. But it came with a lot. So I got like 2 neon yellows, 1 orange, 1 purple, 1 blue, and 1 like a pinkish reddish. So I'm only gonna open 1 because they feel the exact same. Let's open the purple one. Actually, no.
You think
Let's
they're
open.
sticky?
I feel like they will be.
Yeah.
We're gonna open the neon one since I have 2.
Yeah.
That's where they put it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so it is sticky. Oh, wow.
I'm gonna have to keep this in a container. So it's got like a hard eyeball in it.
That's cool.
It's
so those sticky eyeballs.
I really like it. When I get back home, I'm gonna put it in like a hard container because I don't want them to get all messed up. It's so sticky. They're really like globbles, but not gummy-ish. They don't stick because they're just sticking to my fingers. I really like this a lot. So there's that. So there's that. Next, this is from Party City. These are, they're called crawlies.
I think they crawl down your wall.
Yeah.
They're probably sticky-ish, maybe?
Maybe. You can get these also at Learn Express, but I think they have them in like black. I don't know if they have color ones, but you can just get these at Party City.
Watch the window. You probably watch it go down the window.
Okay. They're very colorful. Oh, they are.
Oh, they're sticky.
Sticky.
They stick to
Oh,
your
that's
I
so
eyes.
love
cool.
these. These are gonna go in a container too. When I get home, I might film like them crawling down the window for you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, we're also going in Ollie's. So
We don't know if we'll find anything there.
yeah, but we'll bring you guys along just to see. But I rate these like 1,000,000 out of 10. They're really nice. I love them so much. And they are sticky, like you said. We're definitely gonna try these on the wall when I get home. These are so cool. I love those. Alright. So next I got this slide puzzle thing, this is also like a real fidget because they also have this at Learn Express.
Versus a fake one.
No,
I think it could, Riley. Newton's cradle.
it's very colorful. It's kind of like a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I think you can like move them around.
Yeah, you spin it. It's like a Rubik's
That
Cube.
is so cool.
And you mix it all up and then you try to put the
I
puzzle
don't
back
even know why
together.
I mixed it.
Yeah, because now you'll never get it back together.
Let me see it.
Hold on, she's filming.
Well, it's actually not that hard.
There you go.
But you kind of just gotta mix them up as well. So cool. I love this
Very
one.
cool.
But yeah, you could just move them. Get them in like that. Oh wait, but it still is hard because you would have to like get them all over the place. I like it though. I got a lot of stress balls, but next thing I got was this water timer from, this was from
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby. So let's try it out. It's a good thing I'm out some scissors. They also had the other water timers, like the original water timers that you saw in the last clip, but I don't have any ones like this, and I really wanted it. So you can see it going in. And then you flip it over and they all go back down. That's so cool. They also had that tornado thing, which I was going to get, but I decided not to. so cool. And I can add it to my water tower collection. I got this dinosaur from Hobby Lobby. And it's kind of like that dinosaur Orby stress ball that I got. But it's filled with color changing slime. And it comes out in a whole bunch of different little bubbles. It's really cute. And the mouth opens. Okay. Now we have a lot of stress balls coming. Actually, only 3. So we have this Orby one with black netted because someone copied my other one.
I'd be someone. Alright, we're coming up to Ollie, so we're going to take a break.
Yeah, that was fun.
Okay.
Okay, so here's
We won't be long.
what it looks like. Oh, yes.
We won't be long, Dad. We're just going to go peek real quick.
I love it.
You're gonna what real quick?
Go peek in here.
Definitely recommend. Alrighty. I got a pink glitter slime one. This one does not have Orbeez in it.
Look, a produce village coming right next to it.
Everybody else.
Alright, just stop it right here.
Just stop. Hold on, I have one more.
No, but we wasted all this time.
Okay. I have this. Oh my god. I'm in love.
We're gonna
It's
find
so
treasure.
easy. I love that one.
Oh, that one's so cool.
That one's my fave. Okay, last one. And then, unless we find something in Ollie's, which I highly doubt it. This one's just tied up
This
with.
is really good if you need to get your
something.
struts out.
I forgot this is pink.
Let me see.
That one's so cool.
The pink one's my favorite, that one. Yeah, it's so fun and easy. So that was my little haul. And we'll see if we find anything else because they have a lot of different things in here. So yeah,
Bye.
bye. Okay guys, so it's a couple days later and I'm gonna show you what these little spiky ball sticky things do, okay? So before we do that, since you can throw them on the wall and they do like walk down like a little crawly, but I noticed that if you roll them like this really fast and then they come alive. Isn't that cool? So now I'm going to show you them crawling. So here we go. See, they crawl. But it doesn't work if you do all of them at one time. You just have to do one. Pretty cool. See, this is what will happen if you do them all at once.
And hit the puppy in their head.
You can't
All
do
right,
that.
sounds good.
Yeah, and then these are the eyeballs up close. Some of them ripped in half. And they're kind of like a globule, but actually like filled with stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And they're dyed yellow. And they can stick to the ceiling like that.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, and I got comfy socks, which are really big and look like boots. So yeah, there's that.
All right.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, press the red subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Peace.